lovely crafters! Today I'm going to make a simple, elegant Barbie bed. I'm using 2 unused cereal boxes. Then fill it with unused bubble wrap. I have so much bubble wrap from packages, but I don't have enough heart to waste it because it's plastic. But now I have a reason to use it. If you don't have any cereal box, you can just make your own box using cardboard or stack of cardboard and styrofoam. Just match this measurement. This is gonna be the bed sheet. My favorite fabric, stretch velvet. For this side, we have to remeasure it. From this edge to this edge. This is gonna be the headboard side. Now let's make the headboard. Just trust your hand doing this. Put something small but heavy on it. Don't forget to stretch it while doing the next step. Stretch it and pull it. Stretch it and pull it. Next, we're going to cover this edge, not this side, because probably it's not going to be shown anyway. Cut the previous pattern. You need to make sure again that it fits. Now this is the main part. I'm gonna add some more sponge to make it puffier than other parts. Now let's make the studs. First, we have to make the pattern. You don't have to make it this way. You can make your own pattern you like. Find something soft like foam to make punch holes using sharp pencil. Then mark it to the back of the headboard. Now let's stitch it one by one. Sew it several times till you're happy with it. Then secure it with hot glue. Wait for it to dry, then cut the thread. Finish the rest. I'm done. Are you ready to see the magic? There we go. Look at it, so lovely. No wrinkle at all. Only stretch fabric can make it happen. Now let's put them all together. Now let's cover this ugly part. You can use faux leather braid like this, or gold ball chain like this. Using ball chain could be prettier but trickier with the glue. So I'm choosing this one. You can decorate these dots with tiny bits, but you have to be very careful with the glue or you're gonna regret it. For me, I'm quite happy with this look. Then let's add the bat legs. First, we have to layer it with cardboard to make a very flat surface. There we go. But we still have another problem. This ugly joint. Let's fix it with another stitching. Now this is much better. Now let's put it together with Velcro. Add a little cardboard to match the sponge thickness. Why do I choose Velcro instead of glue the headboard permanently to the bed? It's because it's gonna be very helpful to organize it in a small storage after playing. See? So how do you like it? I hope your Barbie liked my video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment down below to tell me what else do you want me to make. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my other video. Bye!